Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to see how to view and clear the browser cache for a website on your Samsung Internet browser. So I'll just launch my Samsung Internet browser, tap on this 3-bar menu, go to settings, and in this settings you have this option called as sites and downloads. Open it, and here the second option is manage website data. Tap to open it, and here you can see there are multiple websites and the data related to that which is currently stored on your Samsung Internet. Now if you want to delete that data, what you can do is you can tap on this trash icon here at the top and select the website which you want to delete the data and hit on delete, and that's it. It will delete the data for that particular site. Now if you want to go aggressive way, what you can do is you can just go back to the internet settings, and here you will see this personal browsing data option. Just select it, and here the first option is delete browsing data. Select that, and by default there are 4 options which are currently selected. Just uncheck other and keep this cache images and file checkbox enabled, and tap on this delete data and confirm. Now what it will does, it will delete the data for all the websites that you have been browsed. In this way you can clear the cache and also view the browsing data which is stored on your Samsung Internet browser. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.